engaging live show. Sizowenza show sohlolela ingqondo sinisize la nihluleka khona nathi nani nisisize la sihluleka khona because endleleni sihamba siyasizana. Ingoni FM siyatholakala 078 359 7746. Engage with us. It's already time. Last week, Pastor besikhuluma nge-betrayal.
Yes.
You know, sabala okuningi ukuthi yini betrayal, define ukuthi yini lento ye-betrayal. Sayisa nasemasontweni ukuthi khona lento ukuthi ubetray nasesontweni. Sayisa kufamily ukuthi kufamily khona i-betrayal. Sayilahlela ngale banganini ukuthi ikhona lento le yokuthi ujikele umngane. Sasho ukuthi ikhoswa yini, safaka ama-sources of that betrayal. Yabona ukuthi sayindlala kahle ukuthi umlaleli understand ukuthi yini lento yokuqaphele ini ukuthi kumele uqaphele ini usheshe uyibona ama-signs uzokwazi ukuthi uzisize kusasa eli uzivikele kusasa eli because it causes a lot of problems mentally and it makes a lot of people to be in prison and others are dead due to betrayal. It's not just a word, but it's the most difficult things abantu abasifisayo empilweni. So sayidlala kahle manje sifike emaphethini wale topic. So ulaleli uzothi ayinasitshela lezi zinto kodwa nisiza singena sisiza kanjani? How do I come across, if I come across these things, how do I heal for that? So topic here is to heal yourself through betrayal. Ukhumbule wena ungakabetray. Life in this card said you might come across the betrayal. Ukhumbule ukuthi maybe wazi ukuthi le situation odlule kuyo was a betrayal. So Pastor Qundu uzonika now how to survive now through this situation. Pastor Qundu.
Yebo Pastor.
Siyabonga ukuthi futhi ubuye ngale topic le. We are getting a lot of calls ukuthi abazali bathi uyasiza kakhulu. Uvula alinye chapter ukuthi umuntu asizakala ngalama topic esizana. Siyacela ukuthi Pastor Qundu ungene manje ukuthi how do I survive?
Amen. Ngiyabingelela mlaleli ekhaya ngikhona nami la e-studio. Studio sethu namhlanje iward 3 sonke siyakhohlela lana kodwa ke ngomusa kaNkulunkulu uzosithwala uNkulunkulu ukuze kufike egcineni. Ilelo langa uLosine ilanga lapho imbokodo ibiphumile iyonxusa kuJehova on behalf of everyone, iyonxusa kuJehova on behalf of their families. Ngoba ngesikhathini esiningi uNkulunkulu uzwa inyembezi zobesifazane, isikhalo sobesifazane siyamthinta uNkulunkulu. Owesifazane ofana ne-T-bag ukuthi ungeke ubone ubu-strong bakhe ngaphandle kokuthi angene emanzini in hot water. So uNkulunkulu uyasifaka emanzini abilayo siyabesifazane ukuze kuzwakale nokuthi kubonakale ubukhulu bakhe futhi namandla awabekile kowesifazane. Eseshilo uPastor Chris namhlanje siyagoqa due to idemand yenu mlaleli ekhaya nacela ukuthi masiphinde futhi siliqhube le topic kule viki leli kodwa ke namhlanje sizosizana sibuke ukuthi usizakala kanjani ke manje uphola kanjani usubetrayiwe uphola kanjani. Ake ngifunde na umyalezo ongenile eqala before siqhubeka Pastor Chris nawe Pastor Mbatha. Ngikubingelele nawe producer wethu siyabonga kakhulu ngaphandle kwakho lokuhixixixi loku angeke sikwazi ukubulungisa thina. Thank you so much. Uthi umlaleli molweni ekhaya siyabonga mholi ngokusifundisa ngesubmission ikakhulukazi kubaholi abasebasha from uJabulile Maduna. I think uJabulile will respond from kwinkulumo yaka Pastor wethu wase-RMM uPastor uXaba. Siyabonga Jabulile for your input. Ake siqhubekeni ke. Namhlanje we're going to look at how does one heal from the betrayal, right? First point engizoza kuyo eyokuthi you need to focus on rebuilding your support system with trusted people, because remember you've been already betrayed by the people that you trusted before. Now sekumele ke manje ukuthi ube nayo ilihlo lokwazi noma iwisdom yokwazi ke manje ukuhlukanisa ukuthi abantu abaseduze kwakho, who are the real people, who are the fake people? Because uzohamba uqhubeke endleleni uqhubeke mhlambe sizobuyela kulelo point lelo elokuthi sometimes people do not heal from good betrayal. Instead they forgive those people, but if forgiveness yakhona engashiwongo ngomlomo eyokuthi umuntu wakhona uya-acta ukuthi I'm okay, only to find that there's gonna be triggers ezizo-triggerisha whatever happened prior. Then now, which means when as a person that has been betrayed, you are back to square one. You have done nothing. So first you must focus on rebuilding a support system that you have with you after a betrayal. Yeah, but also you don't have ilentuza. There's no need for you for them to assure you ukuthi they are real friends or real relatives or real whoever companions. You can see those people by the actions that they are taking. No, laba ke manje ba genuine. Because remember, a betrayer lifana neskelms liyanyonyoba. Yabona? Liyanyonyobela likulalise athi lala lulaza. La so ulele khona wena akhomise whatever yena ama intentions wakhe ezengawo. Now, after being betrayed, you need to set boundaries now around you. So you need to regain your sense of control. In other words, because remember, ukhlutila mandla lo yamuntu okubetrayila ngithi ukwenze wafeel small. Now you need to regain your strength ke manje and rebuild your self-esteem as well. And then you need to remind yourself about your worth ukuthi emehlweni kaNkulunkulu not you are not being defined by what the other person is saying. And then healing, you cannot heal without forgiveness. Yeah, we need to know that. You cannot heal without forgiveness. You need to recognize how it has impacted in your life. That's number one. Betrayal. Remember last week we spoke about betrayal at different, whereby we spoke even about in businesses, for instance. Business, it involves money, big monies that are there, that can even cause a person to fall into depression because of impact betrayal. Right. It is okay to feel sad when you are being betrayed, because those are now the emotions and the feelings that you need to bring out as a person. It's not going to help you betray you, but you look right, I'm okay. No, it is okay for you to be angry. It is okay for you to be sad. It is also not good. Don't bury your emotions. It's not good to bury your emotions. Don't bury your emotions. Show how you feel because of that. How do you show it? By sharing with someone again that you trust. And say, listen, then the conversation lapho izoqala ke irole conversation. Ngicela ningene nje nani kancane bafundisi before siqhubeka, and then sizoba naye umlaleli ozoba ne-input naye ukuthi asihlobise naye ukuthi how do you heal now from a betrayal. Engokubambile uthe aqale ngokuthi ayixolele. Yes. Then from lapho kushuthi kumele enzeni ayofuna usizo. Yebo. And avume ukuthi ulimele. And manje mama ubuya kanjani before ufuna usizo? Ukuthi ngibe ne self esteem ukuthi ngibuye ngithembe, because lo muntu lo sekabulale into eziningi, angisathembi kalula nje. Yeah. Ngoba ngokufika kuleyo supporting group nabantu engizobe nginabo sekunama boundaries. Yes. So ukuthi manje ngibe free okanye ngithemba omunye umuntu ubuya kanjani lapho phela enye challenge leseyikwe enye sickness phela leseyidala okunye. Idala okunye. Yazi ngicela siyipake pastor wami leyo ngoba kahle kahle ipoint la sekugcineni leyo. Ngicela nje siyipheke. We will come back to it. We will come back to that.
We'll come back to
Yes,
it.
yes.
Ake sikwise ithemba kumlaleli
Yes.
waloluhlelo Engaging Life ukuthi nanoma kunje siyabuyisana nasemoyeni ngiyazi
Yes.
babalalela amaphaphu asabhakuza namanje. Ake sinikeze na ingoma ecula Trust in Christ ethi kuwe baba ithakaseleni after sibuya emakethe.
Nje ukuthi after rebuilding trust, after getting all the support and everything, the other point that I can add on the points that you have already mentioned,
Yes.
ukuthi reconnect with yourself,
With yourself, yes.
because if betrayal can make you feel disconnected from your identity,
Ungazazi ukuthi
disconnected.
ubani.
Because the reason ekwenza ukuthi udisconnect ukuthi you start doubting yourself.
Yeah.
You start having izinto noma ama doubts athi do I
You are
really
not
worth
enough.
am I enough? You know, you start having questions anganama answers and alimaza wena more.
Yes.
So you have to reconnect from your identity. And then one thing that you have to do while reconnecting to your own identity, you have to identify ukuthi yini into ongathi mawuyenza ikwenze ukuthi ube calm.
Yes.
Now start having goals. And you have to reflect on your values, especially whatever that matters most to go with.
Yes.
Start having goals. If umuntu ophila ongena vision ongena mission, ongazi ukuthi what is your purpose,
Yes, yeah.
ongenayo ugoal yokuthi maybe in the next 2 years I want to see myself achieve this 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Start thinking like that. Start thinking out of the box. Because of sometimes for us to be betrayed, it's something that ngasho nje ukuthi after rebuilding trust, after if wena ungeke ube nalento yokuthi ube neclosure kulento Pastor Qundu,
Yes.
the person of betrayal, the chances are very slim ukuthi they can come back to you and apologize.
Yeah.
Right? Then you need wena ngokwakho ukuthi have indlela yokuthi uthole iclosure. If it means ukuthi blame yourself, do so. Do so that ukuze ukwazi ukudlula easy kulento. Those are the points that we need to see ukuthi siyazenza. And one thing about ukuheala from betrayal ukuthi you don't have to retaliate.
No. Definitely not.
Umuntu retaliate ngama emotions, you end up doing more
More damage to yourself. Yes.
kunale ekhona manje. And it might end up involve people who are innocent.
Innocent people. Yes, that's true.
And then futhi engagcina ifake impilo yakho engcupheni noma entweni ukuthi it will be hard for you to get out of it.
Yeah, true.
Avoid retaliation. Yingakho bathi when you are angry, don't make decisions.
Decisions, yes. When
Now
you're
angry, you don't do anything. Rather, uyahamba uyohlala, you be in your solace. You see, kunokuthi retaliate. But distance yourself from people obonayo ukuthi bangayivusa lento, or they can give you
advices, yes.
So avoid retaliation. Then number elandelayo ufuna ukuthi sicheke ukuthi njengoba bosho Pastor Ndungu, surround yourself nabantu abasafe. That is very important because whatever that happened to you, you don't want it to repeat itself.
Again, yes.
You need people abazok uplifter, people abazok supporter, and people who will respect you. People who abazoyenza ukuthi reconnecting with your identity even lula. People who will speak life around you. You wouldn't like to have people abazoba negative noma abazoba ne impact bad to the current situation.
Yes.
Right? Those are the things if you want to heal from a betrayal. And then maybe okunye esingakeda ungaze ngoshe isikhathi bakhulu bami ukuthi be patient with the process. Take it.
Yes, take your time. Definitely.
Take your time. There is no pressure. Ayikho pressure yokuthi mele usifakele pressure ukuthi I need to
Yes.
lalela inhliziyo yakho ukuthi ivuma
ithini. Yes.
Follow your heart. You just have to follow your heart, and some days whether you will feel bad, sometimes you feel ukuthi ngalento le seyapholanyana ngasidala kwenzeke something ezotrigger that thing. But mina elokugcina engithanda ukulisho Pastor Tundu ukholi bonke okukhona ukuthi uyabona it's very important ukuthi masingabantu we need to learn from our experiences.
Yes.
Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu uphile wena bakubetreya and then masithi siyathatha ukuthi wena ubetreya kanjani is either maybe ubetreya through arrogance noma ubetreya through desperation,
yes.
noma ubetreya through selfish. You know, if unakuthi umuntu ucheke unga try ukuprovela anybody point ngento ngasisho ngayo engadina ekugcineni mhlambe ikulimaza in the stuff. So let us be very careful of the people that of the association yethu noma
associating with. Yes
abantu otala nabo, because I'm one person othandayo ukuthi you know umuntu ofuna impilo enhle empilweni, be with people who are very
who are positive,
who are positive and who are smarter than you, because akwenzeki ukuthi mani nama meetings when you are having coffee with those people, they can somehow speak something
negative
or something. They always speak positive things. They always associate nabantu aba positive. Also, in 5 years to come, and maybe uba umuntu or achieve something because of a cycle yako. That's why they say, show me your friends, then I'll tell you who you are. Uyabo ngiyathanda nje ukuthi ngikulethe lokho, and then it's a process.
Thank you so much.
Masike sihlale nasekumthembeni uNkulunkulu ngeimpilo zethu, rather other than trusting people around us for impilo zethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pastor Gail. We thank you for the input that you have. You've said it mouthful, I must say. You've actually covered most of the things that I was going to mention. We thank you. Keep listening. Mlaleli ekhaya sisekuyo Ingoni FM izwi labantu. Ungasithinta ku 078-359-7746 to engage with us. Sithinte ku 078-359-7746. Siyaqhubeka. Pastor Gail, Pastor Chris nawe Pastor Mbatha. Uthinte izinto very important. You know, I like this point yokuthi athi avoid retaliation, because that is where people slip and fall back again. again to the same trap ngoba wena usheshe retaliate wena awukaqalisi ukuthi you look at the situation and make sure ukuthi you equip yourself on that situation.
Yes.
And then she also mentioned ukuthi you need to reconnect. This is what I have said ukuthi you need to rebuild your self-esteem, because remember betrayal uyakuhlutha ngithi ukuhluthile ukuhlutha amandla wakwenza ukuthi uzifile uyabona ufile small ukuthi you are not worth yabona. Yes, uba uyaziquestiona uyazidoubt uba nama doubt uba na self doubt yabona. So you need to reconnect with yourself. Actually, you need to reconnect with yourself. You can come in, Pastor Mbata. What is your input when I go to show Pastor?
Mina ngilalele ngokukholwa.
Yes.
Ngilalele ngokukholwa futhi yazi mama the way nixoxa ngakholwa nino sina pastor ugirl nekhumbela mina ngifuna ukuyimosha uza kahle dokotela wethu uza kahle naye thina silala ekutheni ukuthi sithi ngilaleli nayo nangumjovo nayi dosage sikuthi uthathe ngakanani.
Yeah, I think it's one of those things. We are so excited about this, and thank God ukuthi ke nasifike la esifike kuvuthwa ndaba yakhona lento le, and then siyazi ukuthi baningi abantu aba-affectayo Pastor Qundu, but ke asiye itoro kancane.
Okay.
Yabo sibuye futhi sigqile kokugcina manje sithi
yeah sesiyakuqaka manje.
Yeah, nice. Uzobalula. Singena ke straight ke ngomeni.
Sisengumeni ningakhohlwa engage with us 078 size nawe umbono wakho mlaleli. Siyazi ukuthi nibaningi nilalele ngokukholwa kodwa thumela na uvo lwakho libalulekile sisayimakethe.
Asesibuyile ke manje njengoba sisadlala wona ama request ezwekethu angena ama request lekhethu kuphela akumnyama mawukhona ecele ubunhle Nhlapo from the Living Holy Life. Sisawadlala nje.
Yes.
Asibuyele back to Peking.
Yes, asibuyele.
Yeah. Pastor.
Yes.
Uzothi umlaleli I've already forgiven the person, yes, and then I've already moved on.
Yes.
But this person is busy saying things about me behind my back. It's very difficult to forgive if people keep on coming and saying these things to us behind my back. So how do I handle such situation now?
I would say ngizoyibeka nje isitsotsi umuntu need ukuthi aqoke ama-war club. Yeah, as long as umuntu angakezi kuwe direct and say those things, whatever the negative things that they are saying, when you hear it from somebody else, remember information that comes from with a second person or third person, we don't know. Yeah, in Nkinga we don't know how true is it, because along the way my suge to the original person when the corner kwenzakele kwathelekala spice la idlule uthelakale kuthele upelepele ithi fika kuwe wena mnikazi ifika seyibaba yabona. So if umuntu weak you will fall down, they will bring you down. Yes, so you need not to entertain such things. Yes. Ngifuna ukuthi siqhubeke lana uPastor uGail uthinte ibetrayal esiyaziyo ukuthi kungenxa yayo ukuze nathi saze sazuza uKristu, ngoba uJudas wayengazange amthengisa uJesu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sasizoba nenkinga yokuthi uJesu ufika nini eGolgotha, ngoba uJudas uye kahle kahle owenza ukuthi akufezeke lokhu uNkulunkulu afuna kwenzeke. Yes, singayibuka negatively thina ukuthi umbetrayal, kodwa mangathi uyabheka uhlelo lukaNkulunkulu. What I'm trying to say is sometimes uNkulunkulu uzobaletha abantu abanjalo empilweni yakho ngoba efuna ukutesta wena, efuna ukutesta ukholo lwakho ukuthi ufem kangakanani ekukholweni, ufem kangakanani ekubeni umuntu makangakuyisa, and then uNkulunkulu ufuna ukubona ukuthi ithemba lakho kahle kahle likuphi wena sowile. Yes, ithemba lakho likuphi kahle kahle sowile. Now I want to touch on this ukuthi njoba sisi namhlanje sipha healing. If you remember uJesu was healed. He healed from being betrayed
Yes.
by Judas. Ama signs awabonisa uJesu awukuthi uJesu azangamquestion. Wagcina eshilo ukuthi ukhona ozongihaphela. Yes. Kodwa lalela uJesu after seke discover ukuthi uJudas usembethrayile. uJesu azange asho any negative words towards uJudas. He still called him by the name that he was calling him.
Yeah, it's interesting, Pastor. Masiyakisa story kahle kahle. You've realized ukuthi yena once eyenzeka.
Yeah.
Khona one of the disciples eyancamula indlebe of the soldier.
Yes.
And then Jesus took indlebe
Yes,
and
why
restored back to the position njengoba injalo to avoid violence.
Yazi beke sifundisana uJesu lapho wayesifundisa ukuthi not everything is solved through violence. No. Naye wayenamandla ukuthi wayengazamxoshe noJudas kwi-team yakhe. Athi wena ungikhaphelile wena okanye uzongikhaphela because akithi wayibona before. Yabo but uyabo ukuthi wenzeni uJesu usambiza ngegama elimnandi leli beke vele embiza ngalo uma ekhuluma, which means it did not change who Jesus is. Betrayal Era Judas. Therefore, now as a person, let betrayal not change who you are. This is where we're going when we say, pick yourself up. Reconnect with yourself. Pastor Gail ukhulume ngenhliziyo nengqondo. Kubaluleke kakhulu ngoba bathi ukulimala kwengqondo, ukulimala kwenhliziyo, ulimala umzimba wonke. So you need to have a very set mind ephilayo yokuthi akuthi masekwenzekile, where do you fall back to masekwenzekile. Let me finish le ndaba kaJesu. uJesu did not stop or throw anything at Judas.
Yes.
So we also know that Jesus responded to Judas graciously, which means he was still calling him with that beautiful name there, athi omunye wami. And then another sign ke manje submission uJesu ayibonisa is by washing the feet. Yeah, including Judas lo ombethrayile. Yabona kusho ukuthi uJesu akuzange kushintshe isimo sokuthi yena uJesu phambi kwabafundi bakhe, irrespective ukuthi uJudas ukwenzile lokho akwenzile, but yena ubonisene kuJudas, ubonise uJudas ukuthi I will remain who I am because I know myself ukuthi I'm the son of the living God. I'm the son of the living God. Yes. So uJesu la wayesibonisa ini ukuthi as much as you are betrayed, you still need to show kindness and graciousness towards the betrayer. Yabona into ozomlimaza ngayo betrayer. Don't fight. Yes. Don't fight.
Ungavezi
ama emotions akho. Yes, I think uPastor Gail uthintile naye lapho ukuthi you don't show ama emotions wakho immediately because ama decisions ozowenza because of anger. Remember I said it is okay to feel angry.
Yes.
But control your anger not in front of this person that has betrayed you. Yabona ianger yakho yenze mhlambe mawuwedwa usemkhulu kweni mhlambe. Yabona bese ubonisa ianger yakho mhlambe angithi sinalo ilungelo lokuthi uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi simthethisa ukuthi baba why ungiyekelela? Kungani ungiyekelela ngene esimeni esinje? Yabona that is where now you must now show your anger. But phambi kwebetrayer you do not show anger.
Pastor, angizwa controversial kancane futhi.
Yes.
Yabo because sifuna ukuthi sisize.
Yes.
Asiye lapha manje emasontweni.
Yeah.
You know. Now umholi uqala isonto nani? Ubanani esontweni.
Yes.
Endleleni ngiyathola ukuthi umholi akasanifuni nini. Sekafuna laba basha abathulayo. Endleleni kuba nezinkulumo ezikhona emasontweni because umholi is not doing what is expected. And you feel which I'm no longer part of this vision. Come holy. How do I navigate that situation? Because it's a situation is it's something that is affecting abazalwane. See controversial, but at the same time,
yes.
Trying to how to assist abazalwane. Now it's about the body of Christ.
Yeah.
How to assist to navigate that.
It's a bit tricky, Pastor Chris. It depends with different situations. I get a situation of fun. Amanye go easy for you as a person that you feel ukuthi awu lo mholi lona ngiqale naye manje sekukhona abasha usehamba nabasha yabona it depends in relationship onayo yes onayo naye communication yenu ukuthi communication yenu injani ama channels of communication ebeniwa user before kufika laba be distraction yabona then which means you need to resort back to those things ukuthi okay umholi wanginika permission yokuthi I can phone him whenever I need to speak to him whenever there's a problem yeah inkinga yethu thina laba abaphethwe emabandleni si acta ngama emotions which is not right and then mawuqeda wenzani uforma isigunqu sakho yabona ngoba wena kukwate wena ngoba kukwate wena so uforma isigunqu and then you are not solving a problem yabona you are not solving a problem njoba ngisho ukuthi it depends especially mawuku leadership it depends nge relationship onayo nalomholi prior to these people arriving ukuthi beni communicate kanjani so which means you can resort back to that when as a person instead of you know uthole igroup yakho uthi ngiyambona mara ngiyambona ngasasinaki hey wenzani manje it's totally wrong that way because you are not helping yourself you are not helping those other people as well because umholi futhi at the same time kungenzeka ukuthi he's not doing this intentionally akekho away yabona mhlambe thina masingenile sangena sile cream le eyakudala yabona mase kuqhamuka intsha umholi vision yakhe seyashintsha sekuyabona ukuthi hayi laba abadala laba anyway yabona sebebadala laba angeke ngikwazi ukugijima nabendleleni ngithi ngichange strategy sami manje ngithathe laba abayoung ngihambe nabo ke manje ngigijime nabo yabona that's why ngithi inkinga yethu sisuke thina umuntu simbuke bese siya conclude ungekazi yes ungekazi ukuthi what is the reason eyenza ukuthi makenze kanjalo so mlando umuntu confrontation express your feelings very important
usually abaholi they need to have an open policy
exactly open policy yes
so mlando umholi speak about express these views
exactly
clarity
yes then take decisions based on the communication that we have ngoba inzima into ukuthi uzoqala manje umuntu umlabel kanti you never had into ze ukuthi uyombuza okanye ube ne sit down naye yokuthi ufuna ukunderstand ukuthi so ubona ukuthi izinto azihambi the way nani plan engakhona eqaleni ake siyophuza amanzi Pastor Chris sithengise ngoba kufanele sithengisile and then amabhodo ababeka amabhodo yenza ke manje ubeke kulo ku2 sesizogoqa but you can still engage with us la ku 078 359 7746 ungas engage nathi nge WhatsApp message WhatsApp call yes
ku 078 359 7746 sisakuphuza amanzi mama wami sina Pastor Qodo nawe Pastor Chris uproducer wethu la uDJ MZ uthinteke kakhulu due to this topic ubona no sensitive bakhona nxa ama requests esiwatholayo so mlaleli weIngone FM kulohlelo lekho oluthandayo bathi welcome back mlaleli we-engaging life kulihlelo lakho oluthandayo kuIngone FM izwi labantu uhleli nathi ntambama nje kulosine engage with us 078 359 7746 siqeda ukulalela ingoma blessings of Christ ethi kuhle moya wami bekwi-dedication enze usisi uMasichaba mama
yebo
sizwakele isicelo sabalaleli
yes
mangabe ngizwe kahle one of the things eniyikhotile nino Pastor Chris okanye le ukhothile about forgiveness ngibona ukuthi should kubalekile ukuthi you must consider forgiveness if and when you are ready
yes
forgiveness can be a powerful tool for letting go
yes
of resentment nokuthi ikhulule wena but it is a personal choice umuntu angayenza ukuthi lapheke
yeah it is definitely hence I said last week healing depends with a person. There are people abazo deceiver. When you look at them, after you've heard what has happened to them, ubabone nje beqhubeka nje be-okay. Yabona? Which means that person, i-strategy sakhe asiyuzayo leso se-healing. Whatever le uzobe uyi-observe ngaye. Omunye uzomuzwa ngokuthi makeza ezoku-approacha ukuthi hey, I've got this problem kanje kanje. Yabona? Then you know ukuthi this person is ready now ukuthi enze njani deal with the issue le abuyo betrayal. Another thing that I can say ukuthi umuntu oke wa betrayal, you need to acknowledge your feelings and then give yourself time. Yeah, time is very important, Pastor Mbata. Angeke uthi betray namhlanje bese ucabanga ukuthi uzoheala tomorrow.
Never.
It's a process. Yabona? Take your time, njengoba ngisho ukuthi acknowledge your feelings ukuthi yes, I am hurt, I am aware ukuthi I'm hurt. Yabona? That's the first feeling okumele ukuthi you acknowledge leyo. Ngihetiwe yilo muntu. Now, after that, you now get to the process now, a healing, and then it depends with a person. We cannot have like a stated thing, which healing goes this way. It depends with a person. Again, it also depends the severity. Betrayal, like we mentioned last week, kungaba business business plans involve imali ezinkulu. Millions or thousands, and then you find the person hospitalized. Only to find that health problems. I problem shock. Yes, suffer. Yes, shock. I trauma is after it is conscious. Yeah, over manje shock le embeke phansi akithi ukuthi abe shocked ukuthi yo ngaze ngaluza imali ngayithela imali emanzini. Namhlanje ke sizogxila kakhulu kuyo healing. Healing is a personal thing. Personal. When I say personal, each journey yomuntu, healing my healing journey might not be the same as your healing journey. We can be seen or rather communicated with the same person, but mina eyami problem ngoba ayifani neyakho, we're not gonna heal.
Yeah.
Ngokufana. So healing, personal healing is outgrowing the pain. How do you outgrow the pain or feel after being betrayed? And then what a difference again here? Une betrayal. I think Pastor Chris withintile lonto le ukuthi betrayal yokuthi umuntu betray angaxolisi ne, but asho ise signs zokuthi this person still wants. I wanna talk with a relationship, for instance. Kuma relationship umuntu betray asithi ukuchitela, and then akaxolisi lo muntu lo uzoqhamuka akuthekela ama flower enze lokho yeah ngoba akekho sorry lapho ne, wena obetrayiwe so wenzani uyabhayindeka ukuthi hayi uyabona ithi ngimxolele wena uwe omxolelayo angithi wena. That's why I say it's very important as a person ukuthi wena uxolele umuntu, because the only way onga repair a relationship nomuntu ukuthi wena qala accept apology angazange yena akunikeza yona. Yeah, angazange umusa athi sorry, but mina ngi-accept apology ukuthi ngiyamxolela umusa engazange asho ukuthi sorry. But ubungozi bayo this thing kunama triggers. Pastor Gail ukhulume ngethi spirit of discernment, because mawungenaso leso spirit you won't be able to see ukuthi this person we are back to square one again. Uzongiphinda futhi nga same betrayal, because umuntu obetrayayo it's a circle. Yeah, yes, it's a circle. He can do it to you many times or do it with different people. Same thing with different people. So makazokuthola ukuthi awunaso wena spirit of discernment, then which means you will fall to a victim. You have to pray for a spirit of discernment.
On that note, speaking of trigger Risha, sengixolile, si move on. Ngizobe ngirong na masibuya lento bese ngithi mana wo, not now. And call lento into order.
That is also perfect, because remember we spoke about how do you outgrow pain, so it might be happening that ubuya this person for the second time akekho aware ukuthi wena so ready manje for yena this time. yabona then ke manje so uyaqala ungikhola to order ukuthi listen uyamkhumbuza futhi ukuthi last year you did the very same thing ngakuxolela ungazange uxolise but now you want to repeat this pattern again eyakho yabona that's when you need to make a decision ukuthi what do you walk away from that person or do you still want to be stuck carry on
a decision that you move away kulo muntu or
yes
wenze njani
Yeah.
hey mlaleli wethu weNgone FM kweNgishing Live usahleli nathi kulo hlelo idate namhlanje is 23 inyangeni yesitheni ku-October 2025 isikhathi kuso manje 10 minutes past 8 sizongena emlezweni iphelile inyanga ngicela abankolodaba bangisondele nami Pastor Chris umbhekile uyankolodo Pastor Chris ngicela ukumtshela nje ukuthi angakhohlwa umnikelo akumele uyenze bandleni nawe umlayezo oqeda ngena evening Ngoni FM siyacela ingoma usisi wethu lana sangena ama dedication ingoma ye Vuma Zayoni icela usisi wethu uKhabo uNhlapho umlando wethu uhamba phambili naye lo siyabonga lapho kumanzophila sisamukela kanjalo ama dedication ethu
siyabonga kakhulu azolokho angena ama dedication Pastor Qundu but ke at the same time sibanika the remedy how to sort the betrayal. It's a closing chapter. It's close to our heart because somehow now what betrayal somewhere yabona so but asibuyele engomeni bese sibanike lezi zinto le siyacela amen
hey Nkosi yami
sifake emoyeni nisivuse ezinye izinto
hey bakulela
cha ungayenzi lento no sise-studio la
so unasiqashile manje
fuka basiphule
ama mic
hayi
makhompyutha lahlekelele
siyacela kuJesu umkhuleko nje osezayolelekile akekho umuntu ozothi usonta ezayona ngayazi siyacela hayi cha siyabonga kakhulu nilokhu kuthumela nje Pastor Qundu asibuyele back vele sesemoyeni manje sesingenela emoyeni usihile spiritually now about this betrayal you know and I can see umzalwane umile ekhoneni uthi yazi I was betrayed kakhulu isonto angifuni into isonto nje phakathi mina angifuni because ngizwisa ubuhlungu phakathi enkonzweni ngizwisa abantu ithemba lami ngilibeke kubo ngoba abagcotshwa bakaNkulunkulu laba bayenza kanjani lento kimi sizobuyisa lelo themba lalo Pastor Qundu sesichazile kahle lapha but spiritually now how do I get healed?
Yazi Pastor Chris, it's very important for umuntu olimele especially ebandleni ukuthi I would say to you go look beyond ibandla yabona ungalinge ukwatele uNkulunkulu ngenxa yesenzo somuntu yes now it depends again ukuthi ukule bandla nje leli unayo yini i-relationship noNkulunkulu yabona ngoba kulula ukuthi mawungena relationship noNkulunkulu kulula vele ukuthi ulimale wena nento encane nje yakulimaza izwi maliqala leshunyelo liyakulimaza why you don't have a relationship you've got your own intentions by attending that particular church yabona because there is no way ukuthi ngaphuma esontweni ngithi uPastor Chris ebeshumayela ngami then ukuthi angikhulanga esokamoya awukhulanga ngokamoya kanti izwi malithelehla lase liyahlaba la kimi biza ukuthi lelo lizwi lelo leqiniso ngalelo langa I need to go back and do introspection ukuthi na lizwi selikhulumile which means I need to ukuthi ngirepente ngiguquke I would say mina njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it depend again your relationship because you cannot go and join a certain congregation when ungamazi uNkulunkulu then uzoba nenkinga uye society wena ene society ni kuyahethwana society
funeral police
yeah funeral pala wena kahle kahle yabo yes kanti yes uyela ukungcwatshwa uyela nokuthi mangabe kuna something wena uyazi ukuthi kuzoqala ibandla ukuthi wena ufuna i-crowd wena ufuna umthetho wakho awufuni uNkulunkulu wena yes ufuna i-crowd ngizothi mina kumlaleli ekhaya there's only one source ezosisiza einkingeni esinazo iBhayibheli yeah read the Bible. Get answers. All the answers are there in the Bible, because there are so many situations and things that have happened to abantu bamandulo lapha eBhayibhelini, but they are still happening now. So which means iBhayibheli liprofita impilo yakho eyamanje le oyiphilayo wena. Ukuthi everything that is happening in your life, it doesn't happen by mistake or by default. It's ilotshiwe. So the Bible teaches us we need to deal with betrayal by clinging to God, because you won't be able to deal with betrayal ungekho duzane uhlele emntwini ungahlelanga kuNkulunkulu. You need to cling on God once ufacena ne-betrayal. That's what the Bible teaches us. I'm now quoting yona iBhayibheli ukuthi isifundisa lokho iBhayibheli ukuthi cling to God during your betrayal or even after you've been betrayed.
Yeah, uthembena yedwa.
Yebo.
And then uzoba right. But
yes,
Pastor, ipulpit, because the problem enye ezothi umlaleli ipulpit yona.
Yes.
How do we fix? Because sinomholi right. Everything is organized.
Yeah.
The church is going. But the pulpit, abantu abangena ku pulpit. Baphethwe lezi londa.
Nkosi yami.
Ezama-betrayal.
Yes. Sekafuna ufika ayithulule la.
Ayithulule pulpit. And then idogma yesonto iyaphuma. Abantu baza nezilonda nje esontweni abazi uJehova. And then they take that and blame umholi than blaming themselves. Accountability.
Very important.
Yes.
Yes. Very important. Yes.
Because you betrayed yourself. Because you want to be accountable.
Yes.
And then uNkulunkulu doesn't hold anybody to account. Ungekho responsible.
Yes.
You have to be responsible for God to hold you to account. You know. So ingakho ipulpit imele lungiswe nayo ukuthi likwazi ukuthi singafika kuba khona ama-talk show
yes
izinto
but zingapracticeki zingashiwo
kushiwo into eshiwo abantu
true
it become a problem
definitely
abantu ababehile ngiyayithanda lento Pastor Qundu because isifuna ukugela deep ukuthi umzalwane aphume la ahile
right
hlola ipulpit be careful of your pulpit or imamela because it might be the one ekwenza ukuthi uhlale uyi-victim.
Definitely.
And you are a successor, but you're victimized by your own attitude.
Yazi lento ekhulumayo iqiniso Pastor Chris, inkinga ukuthi umuntu uza ne-anger yakhe athi ngalelo langa makanikwe ithuba lokuthi makashare izwi yena athole opportunity manje yokuvenda out, which is totally wrong.
Frustration.
It's totally wrong. Kufuneka ke manje ibandla elifundisekile when it comes to this. Yabona? Kufuneka ama workshop ke manje ukuthi workshop yabantu ukuthi ipulpit is not a place for you to go and fight your battles there. No,
so in-house training.
Because kunabantu abaclever, ne? There are people who will use izwi. Yabona? Izwi lakhona nithi manje nilalele vele li right lona makalisho. And noma ezofaka lengxoxo yakhe iyafana ifika ijele in lengxoxo yakhe through intshumayelo. And then mangabe umuntu ke manje ongenaso ispirit sokuhlukanisa uzobonakala ufalla into a trap yokuthi uhambe nomfula ngamanye amagama. Kodwa uma ngabe ungumuntu ophiwe ngokamoya ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi ayabona manje lo akasisi la kumele siye khona. That's why ngithi mina ilentuza iyafuneka i-workshop kakhulu iyafuneka workshop kakhulu bazalwane ukuthi abantu bafundiswe ukuthi pulpit angithi is to pull people from the pit. Yeah, not throw them back ukuthi wena manje. Yeah, or throw yourself. Yeah. Throw yourself at the same time because when frustration when ufika ku pulpit ufuna ukuvenda out the frustration yakho. Yabona? Yazi isikhathi sesiyasidla bazalwane isikhathi yazi si extendile kodwa hayi man siluchaba ngesixhosa kusho njalo ukuthi ixesha luchaba. Ngicela ukuyivala ngokuthi you need to cling to God as your rock and your refuge. Uma ungeke uye edwaleni elinguNkulunkulu noma idwala uJesu then uyalahleka ekuhileni kwakho angeke ukwazi ukuthi uhile. And then you also need to choose ukuthi you become bitter or you become better or look for God's blessings in your situation that you have. If betrayal can push you again into God's personal space, once you are betrayed, it's your chance again now to revert back manje uyoqala uconverse noNkulunkulu uqale ukukhuleka ngoba ngesikhathi ezinye izinto zenzakala ngoba kunale gap ekhona empilweni yakho ukuthi wena uvulela yonke into ezayo ebad yabona you are attracting all these bad vibes and yes kuwe kanti uma uhlala edwaleni kulula ukuthi noma inkinga seyikhona ibetrayal seyikhona kodwa wena uhlale yabona uhlale edwaleni uhlale kufundeni izwi likaNkulunkulu ukuthi lizokukhuthaza lithini. There are so many verses ezikhuluma ngokuthi manje uma sewubetrayiwe how do you now conduct yourself or how do you now take ilento zayo ungabe overwhelmed by the situation but uhlale ezwini lapha Psalms 147 verse 3 ukhuluma ngokuthi uNkulunkulu he heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds, which means akekho umunye umuntu ongakwazi ukupholisa babule situation obuyo ngaphandle kwabani ngaphandle kuka uNkulunkulu. uDavid uma ezobhala ebhala le verse leli wayelibhala ngoba wayebetraywe naye indodana yakhe uAbsalom. Yes, Absalom angithi waye against Christianity nobuNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu omnipotent waye yabona. So kwamphazamisa lokho uDavid wasebhala lenkubo leli elokuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukupholisa uyapholisa inhliziyo ezikhathazekileyo futhi besaphinde futhi abhandishe namanxeba. Ngaloko ke balaleli ngithi see you next week. Siyabonga ukulalelwa yini, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sethu sesihambile impela sihambile isikhathi. We thank you very much. We thank all the people that have engaged with us in this show Engaging Life. We thank you so much. uNkulunkulu abe nani. Amen.
Siyabonga kakhulu Pastor Qondo usisize kakhulu. Sisifikile vele emaphethelweni. Don't forget siyatholakala ku Facebook. Go to our Facebook page in Izwi Labantu. You'll find us there. TikTok, we are there. Engaging at only lapha on the social space. Siyatholakala kakhulu. Elami lokugcina ngivala kini usahamba usasuzovuka. Just know that God is in time and God is of time. So don't delay things. Outside of time. Amen. Thank you.
Sebakhona baqeda ama leaders abo siyabonga sina Pastor Qondo, siyabonga Pastor Chris, siyabonga nakuwe sina Pastor Gail Nekume for being our residential hosting. Nami ngiphuthume kule 2 minutes esisele kwimemezelo kunazo zimbili nje sokuqala abakhethwa the chosen generations ngaphansi kababa wethu uMahlangu Siphiwe Mahlangu eZola bazoba nenkonzo yeThanksgiving okumupha lapha eKopane ngomgqibelo umlindelo uqala ngo10 kusasa on a Sunday. Bathanda ukuthi nisondele bacela izandla bona sesinye silandelayo sithi Apostolic Thulani in partnership of Foundation Ministries Development presents Jesus Miracle City Revival